Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how do you go ahead and hide any channels that you have joined on Threads. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Instagram application if you have not already, so that we can go ahead and use the Threads application. So you're going to need an Instagram account for Threads, so if you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and install both of the applications so you have it ready. Go to the App Store on your mobile phone, find the applications, download them and open it up. So now we can get started opening up the Threads application with the account that we have created. So I have logged into my account and this is the main page that you're going to go and be greeted by. That, as you can see, is right here, where we can look at all the threads we have joined, we can go and take a look at all the channels we have joined and so on, all the accounts we are following. Basically now we want to go ahead and hide if we do not want to see them in our feed right here. So basically guys, you have two options. The first option is to just leave that channel or unfollow the person that you do not want to see in your main page anymore. So you can open up their account and unfollow them. The second option guys is to go ahead and open up your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and this is going to open up your main page right here of your threads where you can find all the settings we can access, and one of the options is going to be called feed. So we have the feeds option right here on our account, and from here we can get started creating a feed that we want to see. So you can add all the channels and accounts that you want to see to your feed, and you can remove those that you do not want. So you can still keep following those channels, but it's going to remove them from your feed, and you're going to go and be seeing the ones you prioritized in your feed right here, and that's how you can go and hide any channel that you joined. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.